Hey y'all, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Teresa and I'm here to help you build a real digital asset without losing your freaking mind. So, if you have tried using AI to create animated videos, short films, or faceless YouTube content over the past year, you already know the single biggest frustration in the entire industry: character consistency and video length. You prompt an AI tool for a scene, and it gives you a 5-second clip. And then you generate scene number two, and suddenly your main character's face is mutated, their clothing has changed, and their hair turns a completely different color. So you end up spending 4 hours trying to stitch together 20 choppy, disconnected clips that look like a hot mess. So today, we are looking at an AI video engine built specifically to solve that problem. It is called MagicLight. Now, MagicLight is a all-in-one AI storytelling platform that transforms raw text scripts into full multi-scene animated videos running anywhere from 2 minutes up to 30 minutes long. Now, instead of generating tiny, isolated clips, MagicLight builds an entire production workflow in one place. It generates your storyboard, locks in your character design across every single scene, generates natural sounding voiceovers, and automatically syncs the lip movements to the audio. So whether you want to build Pixar style 3D cartoons, anime clips, illustrated children's bedtime stories, or educational explainers, it maintains scene transitions, lighting, and visual consistency from the first frame to the last. So instead of just telling you about it, let me show you exactly how it works in action. So take a look at this quick demo.
Alright folks, let's go inside MagicLight and see how this works in practice. We're on the main dashboard. At the top there are several creation modes for different video types. For this tutorial, I choose short drama videos, because this workflow is designed for stories with characters, dialogue, and connected scenes. Inside the short drama section, the main field is where we can enter our own idea or paste a ready script. But if you do not have an idea yet, MagicLight can help with that too. Click Get Ideas, and you get a library of ready story concepts with previews. These already include a story direction, characters, and a possible ending, so this gives you a faster starting point. Friends, for this demo, I create my own story. I choose the 3D Cartoon 3.0 style, select Gemini Flash 3.1, and choose the aspect ratio. We can use landscape for YouTube style videos, or switch to vertical for short form content. Next, I set the length to around 5 to 10 minutes and enter my prompt. I describe specific characters, an emotional conflict, and an unexpected turn. I also keep polish skills enabled, so MagicLight can polish the idea and break it into a better production structure. Now I click Next. MagicLight analyzes the prompt and turns it into a full script. We can see a synopsis, scene descriptions, and a full shot structure. In this case, it understands the core idea and expands it into a more complete school drama with clear conflict, character roles, and emotional direction. Each shot has its own action and dialogue, so the video is not just a slideshow. It already has scene progression, character interaction, and emotional beats. Next, we move to the cast. MagicLight automatically detects 5 characters from the story and creates the main cast. Each character has a look, age, name, and voice. If one of them does not fit, we can open the character settings and choose another option. Then we move to the storyboard. Here, all shots are generated automatically. For example, the first shot shows Mia walking into the school cafeteria, with her head down and a tray in her hands. The visual prompt matches the dialogue below, which helps keep the story connected. Mates, if something looks wrong, we can regenerate the shot, or adjust clothing, pose, tone, or voiceover without rebuilding the whole video. Once the storyboard looks right, we move to Animate. I open the Selection Model panel, where MagicLight lets us choose which AI model will animate the prepared shots. The useful part is that it is not locked to one engine. For example, we can choose between models like Veo or Kling, depending on what fits the scene better. One model may be better for a quick test, while another can make sense when the final look matters more. Friends, for this demo, I go with Dance 2.0 Mini, because it feels like a balanced option for testing the scene. After that, I use Animate All and confirm. So MagicLight applies the selected model across the storyboard. 6 more hours and I'm out of here. Now the tool lets us choose subtitle styles and background music. The subtitle preview appears directly on the frame, and the music library helps match the mood of the story. Once everything is ready, I click Generate, choose the format, and start rendering. MagicLight now creates the full video, with scenes, voices, subtitles, and music. And here's the result, folks. Head down, Mia. 6 more hours and I'm out of here. Don't sit here. Table's full and we don't know you. Huh. I wasn't just looking for the exit. Sorry. That jacket? She's begging to be ignored. It's just a jacket. I can still hear you. The corner by the trash. Pathetic. At least the garbage doesn't whisper. I had friends back home. I wasn't a ghost. We can see the cafeteria scene, consistent characters, subtitles, and the detailed 3D cartoon style. What stands out is that this is not just a 20-second preview, but a full video of around 10 minutes, built from the storyboard. It feels surprisingly coherent for something that started as one short story idea. Friends, now let me show you one new update from MagicLight, a dedicated space for football-related content. It lets creators build World Cup-style videos much faster, with a more focused sports direction, whether it's around the match, a team, or a fan story. Instead of starting from a blank prompt, this workflow gives you a more focused starting point for sports content. You can use football-themed templates, characters, and music to make the video feel more energetic and connected to the tournament mood. MagicLight also has a World Cup creation challenge, where creators can publish football videos made with the platform and compete for rewards. So if your audience is interested in football content, this is a useful feature to test.
So what makes this a game changer for digital asset creators, especially if you are running faceless YouTube channels or selling digital storybooks, is that you don't need any complex video editing software or animation skills. You plug in your script, pick your visual style, and refine your scene structure and hit render. It runs on top of premier AI engines like Sora, VEO, and Clean behind the scenes, so you get cinematic lighting without having to learn complex prompt engineering. Now, let's talk about how you could test this out. MagicLight gives you free creation credits right when you sign up, so you can explore the dashboard and test the image and story generation tools before committing to the plan. So I'll leave the link in the pinned comment section below so you can go check it out. If you are serious about building a faceless content channel or producing long-form video assets without spending weeks on video editing, this is definitely a tool that you want in your arsenal, okay? I place a direct link to check out MagicLight in the pinned comment section below. Click that link and grab your free credits and start bringing your story ideas to life. If you found this review and demo helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know what style of videos you're going to build first. I'm Teresa. Work smarter, build real assets, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.